Embrace the colorful world of idiomatic expressions. Hello, English enthusiasts! Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions. We will be talking about appreciating the richness and variety of idiomatic expressions in English, and how to overcome common misconceptions surrounding them. Idiomatic expressions are like the spices in the soup of language, adding flavor, depth, and individuality. English is packed full of these expressions, each reflecting unique cultural insights and historical contexts. Idioms can often be linked to cultural norms, customs, and traditions of the English-speaking world. The diversity of idiomatic expressions isn't just about the number of idioms. It's also about how they're used across various dialects, regions, and social contexts. For instance, some idioms are used predominantly in the UK, while others are more common in the US or Australia. It's not just about learning the idioms, but also understanding when and where to use them. One major misconception about idiomatic expressions is that they can be understood by directly translating the words. This is far from the truth, as idioms tend to carry meanings that extend beyond the literal definitions of their individual words. For example, if we take the idiom, kick the bucket, a literal translation would involve a physical action of kicking a bucket. However, in the realm of idiomatic expressions, it refers to dying, or passing away. Understanding the context is key. Another common misconception is that all English speakers use the same idioms. As we discussed earlier, idioms can vary based on regional dialects and social contexts. An idiom that's common in one English-speaking region might be completely unknown in another. It might feel overwhelming at first, but don't worry. The key to mastering idiomatic expressions is exposure and practice. Try to read widely and diversely, exposing yourself to different dialects and styles of English. Listen to English podcasts, watch English movies and TV series, and communicate with native speakers if possible. Use idioms in context. The best way to understand an idiom is to see it in use. Whenever you come across a new idiom, try to use it in your conversations and writings. But remember, not every sentence needs an idiom. Don't rush yourself. Language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Remember that even native speakers don't know every idiom. The goal is to enjoy the journey, learn new things, and continuously improve. That wraps up our exploration of the richness and variety of idiomatic expressions in English. Remember, idioms are more than just fancy phrases. They are cultural footprints and linguistic artistry that add color and depth to our conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to embrace idiomatic expressions with an open mind. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Happy learning!